Welcome to My Holiday Happiness YouTube channel. In today's episode, let's explore Coorg and Ooty from Bangalore with a 5-day itinerary. On day 1, we will pick you up at 6 a.m. from Bangalore and drive to Coorg. Our first stop will be Kaveri Nisargadma, a stunning river island near Coorg, surrounded by lush greenery and the river Kaveri. Next, we will visit Dubare Elephant Camp, where animal lovers can interact with elephants and feed them. We will wrap up the day at the Golden Temple, a renowned Tibetan Buddhist monastery famous for its magnificent golden statues of Buddha, Guru Padmasambhava, and other deities, set in a tranquil and peaceful environment. Then we will dope you to the Hotel Coorg Palace. On day 2, we will begin the day at 9 a.m. with a sightseeing tour of Madikeri. First, we will visit Raja Seat, a scenic garden and viewpoint offering stunning views of the hills and valleys. Next, we will head to Abbey Falls, a beautiful waterfall surrounded by lush greenery and coffee plantations. Then, we will explore Bhagmandala, a sacred spot where the Kaveri, Kannike, and Sujoti rivers meet. Next, historic Omkareshwara Temple, known for its unique architecture and peaceful atmosphere. Finally, we will conclude the day with a visit to Talkaveri, the birthplace of the river Kaveri, offering breathtaking views and spiritual significance. Then we will drop you to Hotel Coorg Palace. On day 3, we will begin at 9 a.m., traveling from Coorg to Ooty and Ooty sightseeing. Dodbetta Peak is the highest point in the Nilgiri Hills, offering panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and hills. Ooty Lake is another famous landmark in Ooty. It's an artificial lake, and visitors can enjoy boating, walking along the lake. Then we will drop you to Hotel Surya Village. On day 4, we start at 9 a.m. with more sightseeing in Ooty. Botanical Garden Ooty, a well-known garden in Ooty, famous for its wide variety of plants, trees, and flowers. It's a great spot for nature lovers and photography. Dolphin's Nose, a scenic viewpoint in Ooty, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, including hills and valleys. Next, Lamb's Rock, another popular viewpoint in Ooty. Lamb's Rock offers a panoramic view of the lush greenery and the surrounding valleys, perfect for nature enthusiasts. Finally, we will wrap up the day with Sims Park Sightseeing, a beautiful park in Kunur, near Ooty, known for its well-maintained gardens, diverse plant species, and tranquil atmosphere. Then we will drop you to Hotel Surya Village. On day 5, we will start at 9 a.m., heading back to Bangalore. En route, we will visit Pyakara Waterfalls, a stunning waterfall located about 20 kilometers from Ooty, known for its picturesque setting and the surrounding natural beauty. Shooting Point Wenlock Downs is a scenic spot known for its breathtaking landscape, vast open fields, rolling hills, and peaceful atmosphere, making it perfect for outdoor activities and picnics. Pine Forest Ooty, a tranquil forest area in Ooty, famous for its tall, dense pine trees. The forest offers a peaceful retreat and is a popular spot for nature walks and photography. Then we will drop you to your location before 9 p.m.